What if you were stranded billions of miles away from Earth with a mission to save humanity? Imagine being Sergeant Super Spliff, chosen to embark on the mission called Bio-Grow Ob-Low in the aftermath of the catastrophic Big World War. As nations grappled with the radioactive fallout of nuclear power, survival hinged on the inhalation of cannabinoids and terpenes. The mission objective was simple yet daunting: to place 3 satellites in orbit around Moon IRG, a potentially habitable moon near Pluto. With an atmosphere akin to Earth's, this moon presented a glimmer of hope, a chance to introduce Earth's life to an alien world using the 010 Grow Dome. But the journey wasn't straightforward. Moon IRG was tidally locked to Pluto, the habitable side frozen and the other side bathed in extreme radiation. Pluto, located a staggering 3.2 billion miles away, was far beyond the reach of contemporary space technology. However, Spliff's brother, Space Ranger Easy 1, 2, 3, had a trick up his sleeve. He had mastered the manipulation of the Milky Way's black hole to create a time warp, a shortcut through the cosmos. This warp would teleport Spliff 1,311 light-years closer to the moon. But as with all great plans, there were hiccups. During the teleportation process, the portal experienced 2 power surges, causing minor damage to Spliff's equipment. Stranded 816 light-years away from Moon IRG, Spliff found himself isolated, with no communication with base command. It was time to make crucial decisions, navigating his ship Master Zero G towards the dark side of IRG. Spliff was met by chilling effects and a fierce gravitational pull. The damage to his ship only made the mission more challenging. Meanwhile, back on Earth, Space Ranger Easy 1, 2, 3 was preparing for the outer dimensional teleportation of Bio-Grow Ob-Low, oblivious of his brother's plight. In a command decision, Spliff launched Satellite Bio-Grow Ob-Low 1 and 3, establishing a communication path with his brother on Earth. This connection allowed Easy 1, 2, 3 to teleport Earth's biological components through Satellite 1 and 3 into Satellite 2, destined for the host moon. However, Spliff still had to place Satellite 2 on foot, a task made difficult by the gravitational pull between Moon IRG and Pluto. With limited energy and power, he had no choice but to request the utilization of mission assets and inhale a supply of terpenes and cannabinoids from his biological weapon, the Peace. With Base Command's approval, Spliff powered up, taking the blast. The combination of new components in the Peace and Spliff's deep inhalation left him breathless and unprepared. The power surged, propelling Spliff and Satellite 2 towards the host moon, but off course. In this state, Spliff entered a parallel comatose, where he envisioned his superiors discussing the mission's objectives. As it stands, Spliff remains in this parallel state, the mission's outcome hanging in the balance. The fate of humanity, the survival of Earth's life, lies in the hands of one man, billions of miles away, battling the unknown.